Over 90% of drivers are unknowingly wasting money on simple problems their car could fix for free. Even worse, some of these hidden tricks are exactly what detailers and repair shops quietly profit from every single day. If you knew them, you could avoid hundreds, sometimes thousands in unnecessary costs. So before you spend another dollar, here are 15 car hacks so smart they almost feel illegal. Let's dive in with trick number 15. Trick number 15, essential oil clothespin freshener. Let's start with that old car smell. Most people buy those cardboard trees that lose their scent in 3 days and are packed with synthetic chemicals. Here's the pro move. Grab a wooden clothespin, it has to be wood because it's porous, and put 5 drops of high-quality essential oil on it. Clip it to your vent. When the air flows, it pulls the scent through the cabin naturally. A tiny bottle of peppermint or eucalyptus oil costs $5 and lasts a year. You're saving $100 a year on those plastic clips that just leak oil onto your dash anyway. Ever wonder why detailers' cars always smell like a spa? Now you know. Trick number 14, Vaseline exterior scratch concealer. Nothing ruins your day like finding a fresh shopping cart scratch on your door. Before you head to the body shop for a $200 buff and paint, try this. If the scratch is light, meaning it disappears when you wet it with water, it's only in the clear coat. Take a tiny dab of Vaseline and rub it into the scratch with a microfiber cloth. The petroleum jelly fills the microscopic valley of the scratch, matching the refractive index of your clear coat. It effectively makes the scratch invisible to the naked eye. Is it a permanent molecular bond? No. Does it save you a $200 repair bill before a Saturday night date or a car sale? Absolutely. Trick number 13, orange baking soda headlight restoration. Cloudy headlights aren't just ugly, they're a safety hazard that cuts your night vision by up to 70%. Don't buy those $30 restoration kits that require sandpaper. Cut an orange in half. The citric acid acts as a powerful natural solvent and coat the face in baking soda. Scrub the lens in firm circular motions. The baking soda acts as a microabrasive to level the oxidation while the acid breaks down the yellowing polymers. Rinse it off and you'll see the road again. You just saved $250 on new assemblies using breakfast ingredients. Have your headlights ever been so foggy you felt nervous driving at night? Tell me in the comments. Trick number 12, coffee grounds odor absorber. If you've got a lingering smell of old fast food or gym clothes, masking it with perfume just makes floral garbage. You need an adsorbent. Place a bowl of dry coffee grounds, used or fresh, on the floorboard overnight. Nitrogen in the coffee helps neutralize sulfur smells, the stinty stuff, and pulls moisture out of the air. It's the same reason high-end perfume shops keep coffee beans on the counter. It's a total reset for your car's atmosphere. Trick number 11, upside-down steering wheel sun protection. We've all done the two-finger steering dance because the wheel is 140 degrees after sitting in the sun. Here's the parking industry secret. Before you hop out, spin the wheel 180 degrees. When you return, the top half, the part you actually hold, has been shaded by the bottom of the wheel. It stays 30 to 40 degrees cooler. It's free, takes 1 second, and prevents the leather on the top of your wheel from UV cracking, which can tank your car's resale value by hundreds. Trick number 9, shaving cream fabric seat cleaner. If you have kids or pets, your fabric seats are basically giant sponges for stains. Traditional foam cleaners are expensive, but check the ingredients. They're almost identical to cheap foaming shaving cream. Spray it on a stain, let the surfactants dwell for 5 minutes, and agitate with a soft brush. It lifts the oils without soaking the foam padding underneath. It's the best kept secret for headliners too, because it doesn't drip. Why pay a detailer $150 for a shampoo when you have the solution in your bathroom? Trick number 8, wheel and hour clock functions. If you've ever been late for a meeting because you couldn't figure out how to set your car's clock after a battery change, this is for you. Many older Hondas and Nissans use the hour clock function to set time after battery disconnect. Instead of looking for a button, try turning the trip report cutout to adjust the hour and pushing it in to set the minute. It's a non-intuitive feature that uses existing hardware to save on extra buttons, so now you have no excuse. Trick number 7, hold lock auto lock activation. Most people think AutoLock is an expensive tech package. On many cars made in the last 15 years, it's a hidden software toggle. With the ignition on, engine off, try holding the lock button on your door for 5 to 10 seconds until you hear a beep or see the lights flash. This often toggles the AutoLock on drive or walk-away lock feature. Check your manual. It's a free security upgrade that most dealers don't bother to tell you about during the handoff. Trick number 6, Vaseline Dashboard Restorer. UV rays turn your black dashboard into a chalky gray mess. Avoid those greasy armor sprays that attract dust like a magnet. A pea-sized amount of Vaseline on a microfiber cloth, buffed until it's dry to the touch, provides a deep, rich luster and a moisture barrier that lasts 10 times longer than water-based sprays. It fills the pores of the plastic and prevents off-gassing cracks. One jar will last you the life of the car. Trick number 5, steering wheel lock anti-theft. You don't need a club bar to secure your car. Every modern car has a mechanical steering column lock. When you park, turn the wheel until it clicks and won't move. This makes it impossible for a thief to hotwire and drive. They'd have to physically break the steering column to turn a corner. Most people leave their wheels straight, which is an invitation to thieves. Give it that extra quarter turn for peace of mind. Trick number 4, Apple windshield cleaner. This sounds crazy until you understand the chemistry. Road film is made of oils and proteins, bugs. An apple contains malic acid, which is a specialized organic solvent. If your wipers are streaking, rub an apple across the glass. It strips the oily haze that Windex misses. It creates a natural lotus effect where water beads up and flies off. It's the ultimate emergency Rain-X if you're caught in a storm. Trick number 2, hidden under-seat storage compartment. Before you buy a bulky plastic trunk organizer, reach under your front or rear seats. Many SUVs and trucks have dead space bins or even drawers designed for manuals and first aid kits. On some models, the actual seat cushion flips up to reveal a massive storage trough. Most owners go years without realizing they have 2 extra cubic feet of secure hidden storage. Go check yours right now. Did you find anything? Trick number 1, Magic Eraser Interior Stain Remover. Got a scuff on your door panel from your shoes or a mystery mark on the console? A damp magic eraser is a micro scrubber. It's technically melamine foam, which acts like extremely fine sandpaper about 3000 grit. It'll lift ink, grease, and scuffs that chemicals won't touch. Just be gentle. Don't use it on shiny piano black plastic or leather, or you'll dull the finish. For textured plastics, it's a miracle worker.